Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm February, and hello if you're new. Thanks for coming. Today we're looking at December's Lonely Broomstick candle subscription box. So here it is, nicely wrapped, brown paper. We'll get it open and see what we've got this month. Okay, that smells amazing. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Okay, we got our wax melt, and it's the Burrows. That's nice. Okay, normally the candle matches the wax melt, and oh my goodness. Ooh, can you see this? Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. I need scissors. Ooh, pretty. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Second Christmas at Hogwarts candle. Oh my god. Let's see if I can get my face out of the way and it'll focus on this. We'll show you a proper close-up at the end. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, that's adorable, and it's going straight into my sitting room. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me show you close up. Okay, so how cool is this? Second Christmas at Hogwarts candle, Christmas spice, and we've got this beautiful background. It looks like a big Christmas stamp. The colours are beautiful, and it's just a plain on the back. Look how colourful this is. Got a little star in it and a present in it. That is really cute. I don't even know what that smells like, but it's apart from Christmas spice. And then the wax melt. So this says, experience the warmth of the burrow, scented with the cozy aroma of hot apple pie. The fragrance blends the sweet spicy notes of fresh apples and cinnamon, evoking the comforting charm of a pie baked by Molly Weasley, perfect for adding a touch of homely magic to your space. Well, yeah. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Okay, this was a win. I love this subscription. It's probably the favourite of the two subscriptions that I get. This one is absolutely gorgeous, and you never know what you're going to get. And these are just so seasonal and so perfect. And they're going to be used straight away. All right, that's it. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll see you in 2025.